Welcome back. In this video, I will guide you how to add AMA citation in Word. For this, you need to open the Word and click on the reference and click on the style. And here you can see that I do not have AMA citation style. So how you can add it? So open any browser and type Google and search for the bib word. Click on the bib word and click on the first link of the GitHub. And click on the search icon and type AMA, and now click on the file to open it. And now locate the raw button on the page, and here it is. Now right click on the raw button and select the save link as. Ensure the file extension is saved in XLS. Click on the save, and now press the window key plus R and type %appdata% and hit enter, and then navigate to the Microsoft folder. Click on the bibliography, click on the style, and now copy the ama.xsl file you downloaded into your style folder. You just opened it. Copy it, and here you need to paste it. Here it is added. And now close this file, and now open the Word again. Open a blank document, go to the reference, and now click the styles. And here you can see that AMA has been added. So in this way you can easily add AMA citation in Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.